Precision woodworking starts with perfect alignment tools that hold joints firmly while you assemble frames, cabinets, and furniture projects with confidence. Today, we're going over the best corner clamps for woodworking from our top picks. Deliver strong, right-angle grip for accurate glue-ups, perfect joints every single time, guaranteed. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. Syykttd Aluminum Corner Clamp. The Syykttd Aluminum Corner Clamp is a reliable choice for woodworkers who need precise 90-degree alignment without hassle. Built using CNC machining, it ensures both inner and outer angles are perfectly square, which is critical when assembling frames, cabinets, or boxes. What stands out immediately is how simple the setup process is. Position the clamp, insert the bolt, and tighten the nut. Despite this straightforward operation, the clamping force is impressively strong, holding materials securely without slipping during assembly. The chamfered edges and smooth aluminum surface are thoughtfully designed to prevent scratches, making it safe to use on delicate or finished wood pieces. Another major advantage is the inclusion of additional smaller clamps alongside the standard size, giving users more flexibility when working on intricate or multi-angle projects. This added versatility makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced craftsmen. The storage case is also a practical bonus, keeping everything organized and portable, especially for those who move between job sites. Overall, this clamp set delivers a balance of accuracy, ease of use, and durability, making it a dependable addition to any woodworking toolkit. Number 2. Maziloxe Storage Corner Clamp Set. The Maziloxe Storage Corner Clamp Set is designed for users who want a complete all-in-one woodworking solution. With 40 total pieces, including multiple positioning squares and accessories, it eliminates the need to purchase extra components separately. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, the clamps are both lightweight and highly durable, with an anodized finish that resists rust and corrosion over time. Precision is a key highlight here. CNC machining guarantees accurate 90-degree angles, while the dual measurement scales allow for quick and easy alignment during projects. The clamping system itself provides a firm, non-slip grip, ensuring your materials stay perfectly in place without shifting. At the same time, the chamfered edges protect surfaces from scratches, which is especially useful when working with finished wood. Ease of use is another strong point, as the setup process is quick and intuitive, making it suitable for beginners as well as professionals. The included storage case keeps all components neatly arranged and easy to transport, adding to its practicality. Whether you're building furniture, frames, or cabinets, this set offers versatility, precision, and convenience in one well-rounded package. Number 3. WETOLS Photo Corner Clamp. The WETOLS Photo Corner Clamp offers a more traditional clamp design with solid performance and versatility. Made from durable aluminum alloy through die casting, it feels sturdy and built to last even under frequent use. One of its standout features is the adjustable swing jaw, which allows it to handle materials of varying thicknesses with ease. This flexibility makes it suitable not just for woodworking, but also for metalwork, welding, and other applications. The clamping range is generous, accommodating larger workpieces while maintaining a secure hold. Its single-handle operation simplifies adjustments, letting users quickly tighten or release the clamp without fuss. Comfort is also considered, with a rubberized anti-slip handle that provides a secure grip during extended use. While it may not come with multiple pieces like some sets, its robust construction and adaptability make it a dependable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're assembling frames, installing furniture, or working on custom projects, this clamp delivers consistent performance and ease of use, making it a practical addition to any workshop. Number 4. Neddie Square Corner Clamp. The Neddie Square Corner Clamp stands out for its emphasis on precision and durability. Manufactured using advanced CNC machining and laser calibration, it delivers highly accurate 90-degree alignment, which is essential for detailed woodworking tasks. The anodized aluminum construction adds to its strength while also providing resistance against moisture, oxidation, and wear, making it suitable for long-term use in various environments. A notable feature is its dual locking mechanism, which ensures a secure grip on materials up to a substantial thickness, reducing the risk of slipping during assembly.
The integrated measurement scales on all sides are a thoughtful addition, allowing for quick and accurate positioning without needing extra tools. Despite its solid build, the clamp remains compact and easy to handle, making it convenient for both small projects and tight workspaces. The included storage case further enhances portability and organization. This clamp is particularly well suited for users who prioritize precision and consistency in their work, whether for professional carpentry or home DIY projects. Overall, it combines accuracy, durability, and user-friendly design into a dependable woodworking tool.
Number 5. Plumking Cabinet Corner Clamp. The Plumking Cabinet Corner Clamp is specifically designed for creating strong and precise miter joints, making it an excellent option for trim work and framing projects. Unlike standard corner clamps, it uses a cam mechanism with hardened steel teeth that grip firmly into the wood, ensuring a tight and secure hold while glue sets. This design allows for even pressure distribution across the joint, resulting in clean and accurate connections. Constructed from a combination of chrome-plated carbon steel and aluminum alloy, the clamp is both rugged and resistant to wear, promising long-term reliability. The large ergonomic knob makes operation simple and efficient, allowing users to quickly tighten or release the clamp with minimal effort. It's particularly useful for tasks like cabinet trim, picture frames, and window casings, where precision is crucial. However, the teeth may leave small indentations in the wood, so some finishing work might be required afterward. Despite this minor drawback, its strong grip and specialized design make it a valuable tool for achieving professional quality miter joints. That wraps up the top 5 best corner clamps for woodworking. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.